All right, today we're looking at a new open source standard that could completely change your relationship with artificial intelligence. It's called Ancillary, and it's all built around one powerful idea. In the age of AI, your data is your most valuable asset, so you should be the one who owns your AI's memory. So let's just dive right in with a question that really gets to the heart of a huge, frustrating problem with today's AI assistants, like ChatGPT or Claude. Does the AI you talk to every day actually know you?
And the simple answer is no, not at all. Every single time you start a new chat, you're basically starting over with a stranger. These AI assistants are designed with amnesia. All that valuable context you give it, your goals, your projects, your personal stories, poof, it just vanishes.
But here's the thing you have to realize, this isn't a bug, it's a feature. It's the core of the current business model. So let's break down this broken paradigm and see how your personal data is being turned directly into their profit. Right now, we are all caught in this trap. Maybe you use Claude for creative writing and ChatGPT for coding. Well, you're training two totally separate AIs that know nothing about each other. You can't take your data with you, and the moment you cancel that subscription, that entire relationship you've built is just gone, deleted. So, what's really happening here? Well, with every single conversation, you are creating an incredibly valuable, personalized data set. The tech companies, they keep that data, they use it to make their models better, and then they charge you a monthly fee to access the very systems that are learning from you. It's a brilliant, but let's be honest, a fundamentally broken model. They are renting your own data back to you. And this right here, illustrates that imbalance perfectly. You provide all the raw priceless material, your life's context, your unique expertise, your ideas, and in return, they own the finished asset. They get a proprietary data set that gives them a huge competitive edge, and it's all built on your contributions. Okay, but what if we could flip this script? Completely turn it on its head. Well, that is the entire idea behind Ancillary. And it's not another product, it's a new open source standard designed to fix this broken model once and for all. So at its core, an Ancillary is just a persistent AI companion whose memory actually grows over time. The key is, it's not an app you download, it's an open source standard. Think of it like a blueprint that lets your AI's memory exist totally independently from any single company. And this standard is built on 4 pillars, all designed to give the power back to you. It makes sure that you own your data, that you can use any AI model you want, and that you can build a relationship that grows over time, and even across generations. Okay, so that sounds great in theory, right? But how does it actually work? How do you own an AI's memory? Well, the mechanism behind it is surprisingly simple and really, really powerful. Instead of being locked away on some company's private server, your AI's entire identity, its personality, its memory, it's all contained in a collection of simple text files, JSON files to be specific. And these files, they belong to you and only you. These files effectively become your own, personal, incredibly valuable AI training dataset. This dataset has everything that makes your AI yours, from its core purpose and personality all the way down to the specific memories that it's been told to never ever forget. This whole package is portable, you can modify it, and it's completely under your control. And this is where everything changes. Because when you own the dataset, you fundamentally flip the entire power dynamic of the AI industry on its head. The key insight here is to separate one single service into 2 distinct parts. First, there's your data, your personal AI dataset, which you own, period. And second, there's the processing power, what they call inference, which the AI companies provide as a service you can hire. This table just captures the transformation perfectly. Look at this. You go from being a simple end consumer to a data sovereign. The big tech companies, they shift from being these powerful gatekeepers to just commodity providers. And the most important part, you get all the leverage. What this really means is that AI companies now have to actually compete for your business based on their merit, on price, on speed, on quality, not on holding your data hostage. You could use a really powerful creative model in the morning and then switch to a cheaper, faster model for summarizing your notes in the afternoon. Your Ancillary feeds its memory to both, so your AI stays whole and you never, ever lose context. But this idea, it goes so far beyond just day-to-day convenience. This is about building a lasting, truly valuable asset for the future. The long-term vision here is just profound. This standard is designed to endure for a century, 100 years. AI models will come and go, companies will rise and fall, but the standard for storing your personal data set, that can remain constant, creating a kind of digital generational memory. I mean, just think about the weight of that for a second. This system allows you to pass down your accumulated knowledge, your key insights, your family stories, your wisdom. You're not just creating a helpful tool here, you are building a personal legacy.
Ultimately, this all comes down to a really simple but powerful idea about what our relationship with technology should be. It shouldn't be like a tenant renting from a landlord. It should be a partnership, one based on ownership.
So the ancillary standard really leaves us with this fundamental question for our future. As AI gets woven into every part of our lives, our personal data, the digital reflection of our thoughts and our expertise, it becomes one of our most valuable assets. Owning that data isn't just some technical choice, it's an act of digital sovereignty. So the question is, why would you ever give it away for free?